Hey friend, mm, it's part of our life having a situation or a problem. Not everything that we want, we get it. We are part of the universe that we need to handle problem or situation. Remember, door, do not ignore your problem or situation. Handle it. Just handle it. The best way is to handle it, because every time that you handle the problem, you face the problem, you confront your situations in life, you learn something, and that is the best thing. Remember that even that you don't get what you want, at least you learn something about it. And every time that you handle things, handle the problem, there's another level of your life that you confront. And it's the best way is not playing the problem or neglecting the problem. Just confront the problem or situation. Confront the situation, confront anything that appears in your universe, because it's a part of your universe to handle. And every time that you facing situation, cases, or problem, there's another level of your life that you learn something. You organize things in your life. That's why not to get your it's okay not to get what you want for now, because as much as you learn something, that is okay. The important is you learn something to handle the situation, to handle the problem, to handle the cases. Because every time that you learn something, that is the best thing that you can do. Do not neglect your problem. Just handle it.